Hello traders, and welcome back to the channel. In these videos, I go over trade setups and opportunities that you might have missed from the previous week. The goal is simple, to help you see that the market offers solid opportunities every single week if you know what to look for. Trading is not about predicting what will happen next. It is about recognizing when the conditions align with your edge and then executing with confidence and discipline. Some days will bring great trades and others will end in losses. That is just the nature of the game. What matters most is that you stay consistent, keep risk small, and let time and probabilities do the work. With that said, let us take a look at what trade opportunities were available on Wednesday, the 22nd of October, 2025. Let's start off with the US30. Right at the 9:30 a.m. open, we saw a liquidity sweep at a key level, setting the stage for potential action. This is that classic initial grab we watch for, often signaling where the smart money is leaning. Then, at 10:05 a.m., a long trade opportunity confirmed according to the Intraday Liquidity Map rules. Unfortunately, this one hit stop loss in around 20 minutes, resulting in a 1-hour loss. Later in the session, at the end of our trading window, a second long trade opportunity emerged and was executed at 11 a.m., but it also hit stop loss in around 20 minutes for another 1-hour loss. Double losses on the same index can feel frustrating, but that is why we stick to the plan without deviation. No revenge trading, no adjusting rules on the fly. These days build resilience, and remembering that every loss is just data helps you stay objective and ready for the next setup. Now, let us move on to the US100. Here, a liquidity sweep occurred shortly after the market opened, creating the confirmation we need for high-probability entries. This led to a long trade opportunity at 9:55 a.m., but it hit stop loss around 30 minutes later for a 1-hour loss. No second trade opportunity emerged before the trading window closed, which is perfectly fine. We do not chase or force setups that are not there. The market will always provide more chances, and sitting out when conditions do not align fully is a win in itself. It protects your capital and keeps your mind clear for when the real edges show up. Before we continue, if you are still watching and getting value from this video, do me a massive favor and give this video a like and subscribe to the channel. It really helps me out and keeps this content coming your way. And finally, let's look at the US500. Similar to the US100, a liquidity sweep happened shortly after the open, aligning with the morning dynamics we often see. However, a long trade opportunity confirmed only at the end of the trading window, executed at 11 a.m., which hit stop loss in around 20 minutes for a 1-hour loss. Notice how the setups across the indices leaned toward longs after those early sweeps, showing some market correlation but ultimately not panning out. That is the market for you. Sometimes the alignment looks strong, but probability plays out in the red. The Intraday Liquidity Map keeps us focused on the criteria, not the outcome, so we can execute without hindsight bias and trust that the edge holds over time. So, let's summarize the performance for the day. We had 4 trades in total, all longs, 2 on US30, 1 on US100, and 1 on US500. All 4 hit stop loss, leaving us with a combined result of -4R. On a $100,000 account, risking 1% per trade, that is a loss of $4,000. Days like this are inevitable in trading. They feel rough in the moment, but they are the price we pay for the edge. The important thing is not to let them derail you. Do not widen your stops, do not skip setups, and definitely do not chase losses. Stick to the Intraday Liquidity Map, keep your journal updated, and remember that consistency through the reds is what leads to the greens stacking up over time. Let me know in the comments if you took any of these trades, or if you spotted something interesting that I might have missed. I would love to hear your thoughts. Thanks for watching, and as always, stay disciplined. Follow the Intraday Liquidity Map and execute it with no emotions, and I will see you in the next one. Take care, guys.